So hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to review our final project which was done by myself and my team Codex. So we are designing one Ace Prep, uh, a interview platform where we can learn so many things and like we can prepare our interview at different companies. So it's basically Ace Prep. It was divided into two parts: interview preparation and interview selection. So by clicking on the interview preparation, so you will see there are many options like grammar correction, test generation, test summarization, question generation, and resume evaluation. So I can give you a short demo of each and every use case. So let's click on here. So basically it was designed like in a such a way where we like where we can check the speaking pace of the candidate, like for example how frequently a candidate is speaking, whether it's speaking too fast or too low or on a medium wait a minute. So by clicking on the start recording, you will get a one paragraph which was generated by from my backend side. And when you click on the we can click on the start recording, the paragraph will be generated, and you have to the read the paragraph, and after that you have to submit the recording. Okay, when you are submitting the recording, you will get one feedback like how you are how you are speaking pace, like whether it's proper or improper. So it's generally to detect your speaking pace which you are going to various interview. Okay, so let's see on the next model. So it's basically a uh, test generation model. So in test generation model, it was designed to prepare and get a short summary or something which you want to get, like curious information. Like you can type anything, any question from your side, and you get a relevant answers from my model. So it was designed by using an LLM which was Mistral 7B. I have fine tuned into a four classes, which is like HR, software engineering, NLP, and ML. So I have used various libraries like Bits and Bytes and QLoRa for the quantization purpose, and Bits and Bytes for it also used for the quantization purpose. So yeah, that's 7 billion parameter we have loaded on the CUDA part. So it takes quite time. For example, if you type like what is ML, what is ML, you will get an answer. Now I'm not generating answer because it takes a lot of time, and it will make a video quite bigger. So let's switch on the different model. So it's test summarization. So in test summarization, basically it's like you have to go through all the topic, but you have very loss like less duration to prepare or to get the information. So in this when you are going in this, it was designed like when you click on the choose file, it will show option like to upload a paragraph, and it will provide you a relevant answers in a short summary that will help you to go through the topics. Okay, so let's switch. So in this PDF summarization model, we have used a BART, which is bidirectional encoded research transformation. So it's basically it's a type of open source LLM. Like there are many LLM like Bloom, Flantify, and many more. But it's provide me a relevant answer, so I have chosen the BART model. Okay, so let's go through a new question generation. So in question generation, you will get coding as well as the MCQs type of question based on your domain. So in this platform, like when you click on the domain like machine learning, and you will click on the generate questions, so you will get a MCQs as well as the coding question. So we have used the graph query language, which will directly take you to the leak code problems and their own editors. Okay, so yeah, and when you click on the resume evolution, like as we know, resume plays a crucial role in the interview preparation, like interview process. Like first uh, first thing you have to carry with you is your resume. So for that you have to first generate your resume. So you will, if you give a prompt of 2 or 3 line, you will get a like a proper and a better format of a resume. So it's was designed by keeping this in mind. So when you click now, even when you click on a interview selection part, so like you will directly take you on the interview selection. Like when you click on start interview, it will turn on your camera. So it will start a interview process. Like bot will first ask you some question related to your domain and something. Like the interview process will go, and when you uh, like this was designed by keeping in mind that student would get a proper platform to get prepared, or to like overcome that nervousness, or they have to get a real time experience of an interview. So we have designed it in such a way, like we have restricted copy paste option. We it will detect a multiple face are detected, or multiple, it will trigger a alarm, as well as it will send a screenshot on your mail, as well as it will trigger a call when some suspicious activities are detected. For example, if multiple faces are detected on the camera, if a person is not looking into the cameras or something else, so if a person is sitting with the mobile phone, then also it will capture the screenshot and send it to the mail, as well as at the same time you will get a phone call, like an invigilator, not a student, invigilator. So it's the backend was designed using a fast API, and the front end was designed totally by React.js. The we have used the WebRTC as well as the WebSocket for the real-time communication. Like as we know, WebRTC is work on a real-time communication, which is also known as for peer-to-peer connections, like server-to-server connections. So yeah, that's all. Uh, okay.